Hello party people, welcome to a new video. In case you're new here, my name's Linda and I do post weekly about fashion, so if you're into that sort of thing, please do consider subscribing to my channel so we can be friends. And if you're not new here, then welcome back. Thank you for watching. So today what I have for you is a bit of a shopping fail. It's funny though, you know, it's not all that bad, but it is definitely somewhat of a fail that I'm trying to see if I could turn the situation around. So on that note, let's get straight into today's video. Like eating my own hair here. Okay, so story. There was this bag and I obviously hadn't seen it in person, so this is all with like pictures, and I'm like, okay, this bag, it's a Chanel bag. It looks a little dinged up, but I was like, you know what, it looks like it has potential. Like I have high hopes for this bag. So I went ahead and bought it. The price was great. Should have known then. Should have known then. But then it arrived and I'm like, it comes with its box, dust bag, everything. Like, okay, like I have high hopes. Then I get it. And so I realized it's a lot dirtier than I thought it would be. Like the pictures weren't necessarily misleading, but I'm used to the pictures being worse than what the items look like in person. So when I actually got it and it looked like the pictures, I was like, oh man. Oh, sorry, let me just mute my phone there for a second.
A few moments later.
Okay. And so let me show you the bag in question. It is in this little box and it has a picture of the item right there. And pretty much what it seems to be called is like the East West chocolate bar bag from Chanel. Something like that. I found it like in different variations of that name. And it's in my favorite color. It's in yellow. So this is why I had such high hopes for this bag, because I love yellow and I actually don't have like a true yellow Chanel. And I thought this could be the one. And so let me show you. Box, the little receipt, came in this little dust bag. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, so tell me your thoughts, people. You know, I actually thought I could try to clean this bag up before I post this, but then I wanted to keep it real. I wanted this video to be more honest. And let's just face it, I'm not like some bag guru like on cleaning. So my bags are in such great condition. Like I don't know what people do to their bags, but even the ones that I wear to death are in amazing condition. So I'm just shocked. Like what do people like bang it around the wall or something when they walk, like drop it? Like even the ones I've dropped don't look like that. So let me show you what I'm talking about. It's like side scuffs. So here's the back of the bag. Oh, so this is actually a nylon material, just so you know. And like the bag's not horrendous. It just looks like it might have been beaten by the ugly stick a little bit. And I mean, I don't hate it. Like I don't loathe the ground it walks on, but it's just, I had higher expectations. Let's just put it that way. Will you focus? Yeah. So it's just got all these like little marks like here and all over in general areas a little bit. Like I don't know if the camera is really catching it all, but it's pretty much just got marks all over. And she's a cutie. She is a cutie and she does have potential. And I just feel like it's such a carefree bag. It's just like, oh, you know, I'm just out and about. Like it has a lot of potential. I could see this bag like for brunch. Like I'm wearing like this cute outfit. Why do I always have scenarios for my bags? Like, oh, that bag looks like it's going on a picnic. Well, this bag just says like a nice bright sunny day, a nice brunch. Like even like in contrast with my nails, it's so cute. And so what I was thinking is we could make this a two-part video. I can actually Google all the different ways to clean nylon, because there are parts of this that are leather. Like this part right here with the logo is actually leather. And then when you open it, it's leather. I think the whole thing on the inside, or most of it, it's like leather inside. And so I don't really want to like submerge it completely in water, because I don't know. Like I actually tried cleaning a little bit right here, and the part that got on the leather, it was like irritating it. is that a thing? It was irritating the leather. It was irritating me, that's for sure. And so yeah, it was also irritating the leather. And so I kind of just was like, oh, let me like Google how to do this properly. And then I was like, you know, just forget it. I'm just gonna figure this out later, like after I show you guys the bag. And the inside, it's actually not as bad as the outside. It has those like 2 slip pockets, this like, I don't know, lipstick container, I guess, slot. And then it just closes with the little turn lock CC. And again, it's a beautiful, beautiful bag. But honest opinion, any of you experts out there on bag cleaning or like nylon in particular, like what do you think? Do you actually have any recommendations on how to clean this up? Like kind of give this bag a little bit more life, a little more pizzazz? Because on Google it was saying use a little bit of dish soap with some water and then like a cloth or maybe a toothbrush, and then you just kind of clean the areas that need to be cleaned. Someone else had said to completely submerge the bag, but that freaked me out because of like the leather parts. I think I've heard of like other, like a soft detergent that would be good, but I don't actually know what to do. And it is a pricey bag. This bag was still over $1,000, which might sound excessive, but it is Chanel. So as far as relativity for Chanel prices, that's really good. Anyone who knows Chanel prices knows that I did look up the East West chocolate bar bag, and they do go in the pre-loved market for around $2 to $3 grand pre-loved. So just over $1,000 for this is really not that bad. I'm gonna say I paid like $1,100 for it, something like that. Yeah, it was roughly $1,100, just under $1,100, which really is not that bad. It's absolutely wearable, still adorable, and it's like my kind of yellow. Like, let's see. As per usual, using my Valentino as an example. I actually think I like this yellow more, you know? Like, this one's like a baby yellow. My sister said this one reminded her of like baby food or something, and I was like, okay. I don't know where she got that, but insulting the color of my bag. I still get a lot of compliments on that one though. Versus this one, I feel like it's a definite more of like a happy yellow, a good yellow. I feel like I could match this with a lot of things. I mean, obviously I'm like wearing white, so this will go, but I feel like it doesn't matter if I'm wearing different shades of yellow, or even me. I wonder if I wear, like I could do like color blocking. Like I just saw someone did something like that in a magazine where they did like 2 very contrasting colors, but it actually all worked. Like if you do like this for the bag and then a similar color heels. So I could do something like that. And I feel like honestly, she's not a massive fail. She's got a, she still has a lot of love to give, I want to say. And I do like that she has like a little, I need to name this bag. What does she look like? An Aubrey or something? I don't know. Barbara? Something, I don't know. But like she has like this design. I don't know if you get the camera is like capturing it, but there's like all this design in the logo that I think is just super cool. And it's different from all my other Chanel bags in that sense, because all my other bags from Chanel are like just regular leather, like caviar or lambskin. But I don't think I have any with designs, not really. And the only closest color bag in Chanel that I have to this would be my gold bowling bag. It's way up there. I was gonna try to grab it, but it's a jewel tone, where this one is more of like a normal just yellow. And I think it's just absolutely fabulous. I love this bag. So again, if any of you have any recommendations on how to clean this baby up, or if you know like a website for bag cleaners, then do please leave comments below. What do I do with her? I know like in the place where I live, there's a lot of like leather cleaners. It seems like it's mostly for shoes, but I'm gonna take this in and see if they also can like spruce up nylon and leather. And I don't know, also because of the chain, like I don't know, I guess they would have to take this out, and I can't even tell if the part in here is leather or nylon. Like touching it, I can't fully tell. But I know if I do this myself, it seems like it might be a little hard, versus if I send it somewhere, I think that they'd probably do a really good job. I guess it also depends on like how much that would be. But all in all, despite her little dings and like little marks here and there, I still don't regret this. Yeah, I'm gonna say even though it wasn't as great as I thought it would be, I don't regret this bag. She's a beauty. Like, I'm looking at her in the viewfinder, and yeah, she's a beauty. So, okay, that wraps up today's video. I will make another one once I get her cleaned up and beautified. So stay tuned for that, and I will catch you all for the next video. If you did like this one, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Bye, guys.